Yes, a big round of applause. Much appreciated. They were a little apprehensive. Mr. Balaji didn't know whether he has to come on stage or not. But Mr. Balaji, the only reason we repeatedly mention that super interesting leaders from super interesting is both of you. Wow, Gohana and Balaji. Very, very interesting. And so, a very small question before you start off with your session. We're going to start off with Gohana. What does your name mean? It's one of the most unique names that we've ever encountered.
Good morning, everyone. Actually, it's the name of a god.
Is it? Wow. So, which god? You have to educate us on this.
It's Lord Murugan.
Okay, and
My mom is quite fond of him. So.
wow. Okay, now things you learn when you just listen. Fantastic, beautiful name, Gohana.
Tamil god.
And Balaji, of course. So, wow, Balaji, as you all know, is God again. Very godly. Both of you are representing gods today. So, and you've got your bhakts and your patrons. So, yes.
Everyone know about Balaji.
Yes, please, you can continue. But do let us know. Do let us know for those who may not be aware.
Yeah, as all you know, I'm Balaji. I'm representing Osage Technologies here. So I really feel very good to meet you all here. People who are all in the crypto community. So I really thank this Money Expo as well, because this much of conferences and events has to be happen very often as well, because that's when every people in the crypto industry will know about how it is going. Are we on a bearish side? Are we on a bullish side?
Absolutely.
That has to be discussed very often. Very often we need to talk about this as well. So that's when we need to know about how crypto is going. Is it going on a good side? Are we on a right side? So we need to make sure that we are having a very good knowledge about it. That's when we used to invest, trade, whatever we do.
Absolutely. And of course, we've had our darshan of the gods. And ladies and gentlemen, we leave you with the leaders themselves. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Stage is all yours.
Yes, thank you. Good morning, all present here. It's our pleasure to be here today on this exclusive summit. So thanks to Money Expo for making this event a presentable one. Thanks again. So we are here to grab your attention today on behalf of Osage Technologies. So I hope the session will be much more meaningful. So we would like to start with when blockchain meets Wall Street. So everyone here knows about Wall Street, right? It's a street of financial firms and stock exchanges. Just think if it was occupied with blockchain ledgers and chains of data. So that's how blockchain is being emerged recently. So blockchain is not just about the revolution. It's always slowly advancing, gradually increasing everything along its way. And that's how blockchain has acquired the technology at the recent times. So it was a limelight for the past years when blockchain technology is paired up with cryptography and data analytics. Many more new business opportunities can be emerged. The first ever crypto coin was invented back then, which is Bitcoin. Everyone knows about Bitcoin, right? It's a huge cryptocurrency and the most popular one. So since the invention of Bitcoin, followed by many currencies like Litecoin, Ripple, Monero, so they have acquired the entire crypto marketplace and they were used for the money transfers as well. So that's how blockchain is getting important and is getting into every other sectors like entertainment, games, marketplaces, and much more. So definitely the gene of crypto has been changed a lot.
Right, exactly. The gene of cryptos has changed actually. I hope people all here are, most of the people here are traders, I believe. So now we were having a very good journey right from 2010. So we are a 13-year-old company. So right from Web version has released. Again, that is an update has released after Web 2.0 is there. So we used to read, write in the Web 2.0, and we create small applications on websites, and we can we are used to that as well. And when we do that application, the data management, the user management are all controlled by the centralized authority. And that is what an advantage of the 2.0. And technology stacks like Ajax, JavaScript, HTML, CSS was majorly occupying the Web 2.0. And Web 3.0 has arisen, that has emerged actually. We are executing the applications and we are building a smart applications. We can call it as DApps generally. So when we do that DApps, the transactions, whatever activities that we do on that applications are very transparent, and it is going to be a peer-to-peer applications. Transactions are happening directly to the user without an admin interference as well. So these blockchain, cryptos, probably, and also artificial intelligence as well. When these has come, people started using it. People are living with it as well. And this creates more advantages. There is a rise from Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 is there. And that is occupying current technology, and we are living with Web 3.0 right now. As we discussed about crypto, gene have changed. Cryptos has born when we are physically bearing the cashes, physically bearing the money on our shoulders. When crypto has born, the transactions on the blockchain are very transparent, as you know. When cryptos are there, right from 2010 or 2011, it is there, but it was not popular. It was not very popular. When multinational companies have started adopting to the cryptocurrencies, that's when there is a spotlight that was put on the cryptocurrency. Say for an example, IBM is adopting a blockchain technology. Microsoft is working with a Maersk shipping company for their supply chain process. And as you know, Walmart is a world's top retail shop. They are using blockchain technology for their supply chain implementation. And blockchain and cryptos is used for many different use cases. Even a crowdfunding can be done on blockchain. Even a charity, that can be done on blockchain as well. Few Indian governments, state governments are also adopting blockchain as well. Transformation of cryptos from physical currency to digital currency, that is there. And another digital disruption has happened. So centralized cryptocurrency system, it is good. It's a traditional one, and it is a valuable one for the users and traders as well. And when decentralized exchanges has come, people have much more confidence on cryptocurrencies, and people have started using decentralized platforms like you heard about PancakeSwap, yeah, Uniswap. They are giants in this particular decentralized world. So after that, there is another digital transaction. Digital transformation, digital disruption has happened. NFTs has come in. Hope everyone know about NFTs as well. NFT is not only, cryptos is not only for finance transaction. This NFT is making every single one in the world as an artist. I can create my own art and I can put it on blockchain, it stays there, and I can trade it as well. So NFTs are becoming very popular, and when many celebrities, cinema celebrities, sportsmen, when they started to release their own NFTs, there is another spotlight put on NFT as well. These NFTs are not only trade, buy, sell platform. There is a new world we have created, which we call that as a metaverse. So metaverse is a virtual world. I bet you any physical place can be virtually developed as a metaverse. So we can go there, we can live there, and whatever activities that we are going to do there, virtually I can live in a different world actually.
Yes, as Balaji said, actually, blockchain has entered into distinctive sectors. We can see the first sector could be entertainment and sales. Entertainment and games. So actually, we could all probably think of holding joysticks and playing the games and watching the games on a big screen, right? But now it's totally changed into a different gaming experience using the technology called Metaverse. So Metaverse enables the players and gamers, whoever is more interested about the games, to experience the entire gaming experience, the environment, and it enables the players to be more interactive and earn more rewards as well. So exactly all those inventions were because of blockchain technology. So blockchain-based games were introduced based on the reward system at the initial stage. The rewards were distributed as cryptocurrencies until smart contracts were developed. Smart contracts were discovered in order to make sure that the game is not deviated anymore and there are no scams as well. So after which Metaverse has come to the blockchain world, which enables the players to experience the gaming virtually, and it enables them to be interactive, earn fancy tokens as well. So that's how the entertainment and game sector has been filled with blockchain technology. Followed by entertainment and games, it's marketplaces. We all aware that marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, they were quickly acquired by cryptocurrency marketplaces because it attracts all kind of traders because of its fluctuating prices and rewards, new tokens, utility tokens as well. Even the money transfers, the digital transformation of the fiat currencies to cryptocurrencies was mainly through this blockchain, because traditional transfers have been traditional transfers were taken much more time for every transaction, and they will be having a high charge fee for every transaction. So blockchain eradicates high fee and it extremely lower the transaction time as well. So that's the main thing for marketplaces. So that's how blockchain technology has acquired traditional marketplaces and even the wire transfers as well.
Rightly said. Previously, marketplaces, we know what is marketplace? Freelancer, Amazon, eBay, but marketplaces, NFTs are dedicatedly having a marketplace as well. Couple of giants are there. We can go create our NFTs and we can sell, buy, we can put our NFTs into auction as well. So that is a potential market where we can buy, sell NFTs as well. You can increase your value of NFT as well. Another sector which has entered into blockchain actually. I hope everyone know about multi-level marketing. That was on peak a couple of years ago. That was developed in a centralized way in this particular crypto industry. I refer you, you refer me, I get a bonus. That we generally call as an affiliate program. So that was centralized system that was been building by many investors, many people who wanted to do business on cryptos. And there is a drawback in that when they are building it in a centralized way. What drawback is? There is a chance of data manipulation, transaction manipulation, and all the funds are kept in a centralized administrative wallet. No, that is not the way to do that. And decentralized finance has come. So what do you do is peer-to-peer crypto transaction that is happening on a centralized MLM business or a crypto trading business. But then we have invented a decentralized finance. I mean, the technology has emerged. Then the transaction is not happening peer-to-peer. It is peer-to-contract. That's when smart contract plays a smart role in this particular blockchain technology. So the decentralized finance is not only providing you an option to exchange your cryptocurrencies or trade your cryptocurrencies. You can do an investment on that. So no one is monitoring you or backing up your funds. You connect your MetaMask to your browser and you have access to your funds, and you, to whoever you are going to send the funds, do it. To the platform, to another user, you do it in a decentralized way. Smart contract deals that. When smart contracts started to deal that, it is very transparent. Every transactions are getting very transparent, and it is providing a trustworthy platform. I have my money. I know where I have to invest. So I'm doing it right. Okay, the contract is doing the right transaction. That much of confidence that we get when we do the transaction in a decentralized finance system. So that is emerging, and even you can stake your cryptos and you get your value for it. And even farming, even you can create your own liquidity as well. So when you, in a centralized way, there is a problem in getting liquidity. A brand new crypto exchange platform will not have a liquidity, will not have more users. So what they do is, they take API from Binance or OKX or somewhere else, and they integrate it. All the order books will be put in here. That is okay, and the trade will happen only there, not in your platform. Now, in decentralized finance, there are a couple of types. One is order book DEX, another one is automated market makers. So in decentralized platform, even though I do not have liquidity, I can be a liquidity creator. I can create a trading pair where I can start a liquidity pool where my community people, the platform users can join together and form a liquidity pool and they can earn as well. So that is something decentralized finance has given value to the crypto exchanges and we can do that in a decentralized way.
Yeah, so here are the technologies. Everyone are aware about the technologies that blockchain using at this moment. Some of the popular technologies could be Ethereum, Tron, Phantom, Avalanche, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain. There are so many, right? So I could explain you about the future technologies of blockchain. So the first one would be Solana. Solana is it has a growing marketplace for non-fungible tokens. It is mainly for non-fungible tokens because it is much more faster and cheaper when compared to Ethereum. Because when we talk about the transaction per second, it is 2515 in Solana, and whereas in Ethereum it is around 30. So the block time could be 1 second in Solana, whereas in Ethereum it is going to be 15. So it is much more cheaper and faster and pretty good when compared to Ethereum. So you can definitely opt for Solana network. And the next one would be Algorand. Algorand is a much developer-friendly blockchain network which supports many programming languages, and it also follows a stake of proof consensus, which is mainly for shared transactions. So the blockchain, the transaction per second would be around 1,000 here. And the next network would be StockNet Layer 2. So actually it's a permissionless framework, ZK Rollup. So it operates as on L2 Ethereum layer, which doesn't disturb the composability and security of Ethereum. But the main advantage here could be it enables decentralized applications to reveal its unlimited source for computation. So that's a specialty here. The next one could be IoT multi-chain. So IoT enables devices across the internet to send data to private blockchain networks, but it is mainly for supply chain projects actually. Multi-chain is off-the-shelf platform which helps in creation and deployment of private blockchain networks either within or between the organizations. The next could be Hyperledger Fabric. Hyperledger Fabric is a permissioned framework and it also supports supply chain management systems. The main advantage of Hyperledger Fabric would be data on a need-to-know basis and on-demand data retrieval. It has immutable distributed ledger. And the last one will be Eldron. So Eldron also supports programming languages like Rust, C#, Go, etc. So it also follows the secure proof of stake consensus. So that's it about the technologies. And so when we look into the business part, so we handle many clients every day. So the most common question that we get from our client is it really profitable to invest in blockchain market and blockchain business? Of course, we are here to help you with the question. Blockchain is going to be a trusted, unfiltered, uncensored repository of data and transactions that is accessible worldwide. This could lead to the creation of the third generation of the internet. So users have started adapting cryptos. Merchants have started accepting cryptos as payments. Even many organizations have their balance sheets on cryptos. So most probably everyone has started using cryptocurrencies for payment transactions. So like taking your first step in blockchain industry could be daunting, but investing in crypto might not be right for everyone, but it could be a potential revenue based on its volatility and risk. So we as a service provider not only focus on selling out our services, rather we interact with the entrepreneurs and investors. We derive a business model. We could help them derive the revenue model that hit the market and you can start earning from it. So if you are really planning to have a startup in blockchain industry, what you should do is you should first define a business plan based on the market research. You should come up with a perfect revenue model. You should set realistic expectations, find the right technical partner. After the project is launched in the market, you should keep updating them with the modules and features, whatever is coming up with the market. So enhancements are highly important when you are launching a project in the market. It is highly essential that you keep updating them. and having a technical support as well. So yes, actually it is really highly profitable if you are thinking to have a startup in blockchain market.
Okay, great. So even if you let us speak, we can keep talking about it. I think Tanusha and guys says that time's up. So, but yeah, I don't want this to be a theoretical session. So we are here and presenting ourselves here in this Money Expo, and yeah, so we do develop. We are a service provider. We do develop anything logically possible on cryptos and blockchain. We are here. And I hope a lot of young faces here and also entrepreneurs here as well. In case if you have a plan to develop a platform in blockchain or develop a platform for a cryptos or develop a crypto related project, we are here. We are here. We are here to develop anything which is logically possible on blockchain. So we develop NFT marketplaces, we develop crypto exchanges, we develop decentralized finance, even metaverse platforms, we are creating it. And anyone who wanted to develop a new project on blockchain, we are here, you can approach us. We are going to be technical partners for you. And the best way to predict the future is to create it. You don't have to fear about your future. You have to think about how my future is going to be. You have to make how my future, how your future is going to be. So we need to predict that. We need to make sure we are good. We need to make sure we have a good plan when we do want cryptos. And one last thing that I want to add is, if you wanted to invest on anything, gold, crypto, whatever it is, don't spend your money, that you keep it for your next day's food. Okay? So you have to invest, and you should not invest more than what you can't afford, right? And investing in cryptos is really a good one, profitable one, high profitable one, and we are on the bearish side. And I think the next half of this year is going to be a very good turnaround for the cryptos. And thank you everyone, thank you all, thank you for patiently listening to us. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, team. And there was some really godly advice from. Okay, enough with the gods already. Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for both our leaders. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time.
Thanks for
And
listening.
great. All right. So for our next segment, ladies and gentlemen, we have the man himself, the co-founder of CodoFX, which was founded in 2020, and he has enjoyed many executive positions throughout his career in product marketing, sales, support, business development, you name it, he aces it. Yeah, let's give it up for Mr. Abhiraja Alex, the co-founder of CodoFX. Mr. Alex, kindly come on up. Your fans are waiting for you.